Psalms 130, Forgiveness and Full Redemption, a Song of Ascents. Out of the depths I cry to you, Adonai. Lord, hear my voice. Let your ears be attentive to the sound of my supplications. If you, Adonai, kept a record of iniquities, my Lord, who could stand? For with you there is forgiveness, so you may be revered. I wait for Adonai. My soul waits, and in his word I hope. My soul waits for my Lord, more than watchmen for the morning, watchmen for the morning. O Israel, wait for Adonai. For with Adonai there is loving kindness, and with him is full redemption, and he will redeem Israel from all its iniquities.